My back.
All right, let's see what we got in here. That's my 13 fish today, plus a lobster. Oh, dang. Look at this thing. Let's see if this is a keeper. Look at this thing. What is this thing called? Is this a bass? Or?
Yes.
Spotted
bass.
Spotted bass, right?
Or sand bass. I just grab him by his lips.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull that.
You're on a hole, yeah.
It's a nice looking fish. Hopefully, it's a keeper.
It's gonna be 14.
Look at this thing. All right, thank you.
All right. Guess it stopped.
No, let it run. Let's see. We're gonna measure it. Check this out. 13 fish or 14 fish?
Another one?
Yeah, let's see if it's a keeper. I think 14 inches. Good fight. Let's see. Not big enough. It's 12, well, 11 inch. 11 inch. That's sad. But it's a nice fish.
What was it?
11 inch.
11 inch.
Take the white one up.
Look at this thing. This is huge. So we're gonna let him go after I throw this on Instagram. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's 3 o'clock at night. I'm freaking tired. I had a lobster. I just caught this thing. I think 14th or 13th fish. I'm gonna have to do a head count. Thank you so much. San Diego fishing is awesome. Goodbye.